I have a question for you. Are you a female and you got into wrong relationship in the past? Initially, when you met that person or the man, you thought he is the right person for you, but after some time you find out that person is not good for you. He was showing something initially, the mask, and then after some time, when as you started having a relationship with the person, you already fallen in love with that person, you find out that is not the right person for you. There are a lot of dark things inside him. There are certain behavior which you had not known before, and that is why your life has become miserable. If that happened to you, you are at the right place, my friend. I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I am a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I am doing one-on-one sessions for a very long time, and recently for last 4 to 5 years I started getting lot of cases where females got into the wrong relationship. They thought initially it's a good person and they can live happily, enjoy their life, but after some time they find out that person is not a good person, and they go through a lot of trauma, lot of emotional problems because they could not read the person correctly. Now, if you don't read the person correctly and you get a different kind of problem, I'm sure you may have some of them, like emotional problem and abuse, because the relation is not good, you start getting emotional problem, and after some time you find the relationship you have wasted your time waste because the person is not right. It can be your lover, it can be a loving relationship, and even it can be your husband. Then broken trust, there is no trust between both of you, and you feel isolated and alone. And then what happens? After all this going on, you feel your self-esteem goes very low and your confidence goes low. And then you find that the other person is manipulating and controlling, which was not your goal in the first place when you fallen in love or dating the person. And then lot of financial problem starts because you spend lot of unnecessary money, health and well-being. And then what happens when you have a broken relationship with that person later on? What happens? It impacts your future relationship, because every time you get into a future relationship, the old memory comes and disturbs you, and you start finding and fearing that you may not get into the same kind of trouble before. Then you had a lot of personal growth, loss of personal growth, and sometimes you may have a domestic violence also. The person is a narcissist, or you find out that his person is not a good person. So my friend, as I find this kind of cases, lot of cases coming up, doing one-to-one session, lot of people demand, can we, before we start dating somebody, can we find about the person, what kind of person is he, so that we can stop immediately if the person is not right, or continue. So my friend, after a lot of demand, I am creating a wonderful, powerful 21-day WhatsApp video workshop, where you will learn a very powerful psychic technique. I call this technique hypnotic X-ray vision. Using a psychic technique, you can know about the person you date, what kind of person is he. You will be able to read your man, whether he is your date or not. You will have some psychic tools, the practical exercises you will have, know how to instantly know what he is thinking about you, how to guard against emotional abusers, how to spot a trouble soul. You know what do you mean by trouble soul? Now, trouble souls can be different kind of souls. The trouble souls can be, they are born with the trouble souls, or something happened in their life, so they become a trouble souls. You know, the past programming. So you can find out, spot the trouble souls, someone who looks good to you now, but will be a lot of trouble in the relationship in the future. How to protect yourself from, the negative people. They only care about themselves and will care about you only if you give them what you want, what they want. Then how to make sure that you choose a good guy, the right guy. That is the purpose of this course. How to keep the relationship warm and fuzzy, how to check what the other person really saying below the surface. They may be saying something, but there may be some hidden agenda behind it. How to turn your date into the lifetime playmate of your dreams. Now my friend, this is a powerful workshop. It's a psychic scan. I give a name because I'm a hypnotist, so I call it a hypnotic X-ray technique using the psychic power technique, which you will learn by doing it in the workshop. Now it is not a theory workshop where I talk about the features and things about the other person and how to know about them. It is pure using the power of your subconscious mind, power of your intuitive mind, power of your psychic power, or you can call it mind reading. You will instantly able to know about the other person, what kind of person the other person is. So this is a very powerful course. It is full of exercises. It is not a theory. It is all guided exercises, many guided exercises you will learn in this workshop. You can go below the page here. You will know what are the exercises you are going to learn and what are the things we are going to do. You will able to instantly find out the right guy for you. If you have a right guy, what will happen? Your life will be smooth and powerful. Now my friend, you are getting into a relationship using these powerful techniques. You will identify what the person is good for you or not. What this 21-day WhatsApp workshop, the video workshop, you will learn, and once you start using it, what is going to happen to you. You will able to make decision more clearly. Understand your date or partner much better. See what he does not want to show you about himself. Learn about his true heart. Yes, my friend, true heart and what he really feels. Be open. Be more open to a man because you know him deeply. Because learning this technique, you will learn about the person more deeply, and therefore, if the person is right, you can trust him more, love him more. Be more relaxed in your relationship. Be more happy in your relationship. Create joy in your relationship. Not settle for the second best, settle for the first best. Or you want to know where you stand, is it right for you or not. Maybe you like him and yet there is just something that is not quite right intuitively. Using this technique you will be able to find out. Maybe you love him and feel his inner turmoil and intense uncertainty and are wondering if committing will hurt you in the long run. All of these things, my friend, if it is true for you, this is the course for you. This is a practical workshop, may not happen again, it is happening very first time, and after a lot of demand from my female patients or clients, I am creating this workshop and creating the workshop normally. Now this workshop is a 21-day workshop. That means the first day of the workshop, once you join this workshop, enroll for this workshop, you will put into a new main WhatsApp group. Now normally we create a WhatsApp group so you can see how many people are there who are there, but we find out if you are doing a female based workshop, so what happens, some wrong people may join the workshop and they start calling them. So we are going to create a community for this course. That means nobody will know who the persons are there, nobody can disturb you. Now this course, normally when I do one-on-one teaching to my clients, I charge 10,000 rupees per session, which goes up to 4 to 5, 6 sessions. Now as we are not doing one-to-one session and I want it to go to every female or woman here, so I am going to make a very reasonable and low workshop because it is on a WhatsApp, it's a video workshop. The fee is normally 20,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees sometime. Now this course, because I want almost all the women should get it, all the females should get it and practice it, this course fee is not 10,000, not even 5,000, not even 2,000, not even 1,500. Yes, this is only 1,250 plus GST, that comes to 1,475, 1,475 only, and there will be some bonus material also there. You will get the bonus material also here. So check below and click the link and join right now. Now my friend, if you really want to take charge of your life, come out of emotional problem, have the right guy and remove or delete or get out of the wrong relationship, this is the right course for you. So click on the link below, use Google Pay, Paytm and Phone Pay, and when you do that, remember there will be my name, Pradeep Aggarwal. Then only make the payment. And if you want to make the credit card payment, go to the link below and go to my website. There is a Raise a Pay button, make the payment, use the credit card, debit card or bank, and then send us a screenshot on the number given below so that we can put you in the main community of the workshop. So you get lessons on the first day at 9 p.m. After that, every day except Sundays and holidays, you will get the lessons around 6 p.m. every day. So, and after the course is over, now once the course is over, something interesting going to happen. I'm going to give you a Google Drive downloadable link of the whole material, so that all videos, so you can download into your laptop, computer, hard drive or pen drive and watch and practice, watch and practice, watch and practice. So click on the link below right now, register right now and see you inside, and see you a very happy and successful in your relationship in the future, and looking forward to meeting you sometime in the future personally. Thank you very much. Enroll right now. Click on the link or like. Thank you very much.